Celebrating a decade of resilience and purpose with Axis Small Cap Fund, a journey worth exploring. The journey of Axis Small Cap Fund started as a 5-year close-ended equity scheme in 2013. In 2018, the fund was converted into an open-ended scheme. The strategy has always been to invest in quality, scalable and stable companies. From a humble beginning, a Rs 10,000 invested at inception is now Rs 85,490 today. A remarkable 23.70% CAGR, outshining the benchmark's 20.86% CAGR. In the last decade, Axis Small Cap Fund has grown over 8.5x, where the Nifty Small Cap 250 has grown 6.8x. Let's dive in to know more about the exciting journey of Axis Small Cap Fund. In the first 5 years, the fund delivered a return of 9% CAGR, showcasing strength during the global crisis. Transforming into an open-ended fund marked a new era, with the AUM soaring from Rs 385 crores to over Rs 1,000 crores, outperforming the industry by 30%. Fast forward to March 2020, the onset of COVID-19 pandemic tested the markets globally. But with the fund navigated these tough times and the NAV grew manyfold. Post-COVID, as markets corrected, Axis Small Cap Fund strategically embraced innovative solutions and investment opportunities and deployed assets across sectors to identify prospective winners from new age businesses. As of December 31st, 2023, with over 14.9 lakh active investors and a robust AUM of Rs 18,615 crores, the fund is invested in over 105 companies. The fund stands committed to helping investors achieve their financial goals.
The 10th anniversary of Axis Small Cap Fund, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our partners, investors and employees who have supported us in this journey. From investing in small cap companies to seeing close to 47 companies grow into becoming mid and large caps today, I am happy and proud to say that we have been able to demonstrate the power of active stock picking and research-oriented fundamental portfolio construction by beating the index consistently. Thank you once again for trusting us with your money.
The journey of Axis Small Cap Fund is more than numbers. Its performance and resilience during market volatilities speaks volumes, as over 10 years the fund consistently showcased its strategic prowess in every market situation. Small is the beginning of something big. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.